Welcome to Graphic Tracer. In this video, we'll show you how to create a centerline trace from a black and white image. We start by opening the image file by clicking Open in the File menu and then double-clicking the file. Once the file is open, you can zoom in and inspect the details of the image. If the edges look very soft, like in this example, it usually means the image has been upsized. When an image is enlarged, the quality of the resulting vectors will often suffer. Graphic Tracer detects this automatically and will suggest that you decrease the resolution before continuing. After the image resolution is decreased, the image will look much cleaner and sharper. Next, click the Vectorize button. When the image is converted to vectors, you'll see that the outlines of the image have been traced, creating vector paths on both sides of each line. This time, however, we want to create a single line trace that runs through the center of all the lines in the graphic. So we select the centerline option in the Create Vectors dialog box and click Redo All. Now we select and remove the two small figures at the bottom that should not be part of the trace. You can use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in on the traced image. When you create a centerline trace, many of the objects become open paths. You can now edit the vector paths by connecting them and reshaping the curves and lines in the graphic. You can press the spacebar to display the original bitmap image. This makes editing easier and helps you achieve better results. When you're satisfied with the result, simply click the Save Mode button and export the image in the format you want. If you're using the Lightburn software or any other software supported by ClikLink, you can transfer the image directly to your software with just one click. Your graphic is now ready for production.